You spent an hour generating the perfect AI video character, then in the very next clip, they look like a completely different person. Sound familiar? This is the number one problem killing AI video projects right now, and almost nobody is talking about the real fix. Most AI video tools will quietly change your character's face from shot to shot, and the moment you try to fix it, they hit you with a paywall. But there is a completely free method to get consistent characters across unlimited video clips. The secret is to stop trying to generate video first. You need to split this into two separate steps. First, lock your character's face into a static image. Second, animate that image using a different tool. That separation is everything. Let's walk through exactly how to do this. Head over to Google Flow and open a new project. At the bottom of the screen, you will see a model selector. Click on it and choose Nano Banana 2. This is the image model we want. Before you do anything else, check the credit at the bottom. The counter should read 0. Nano Banana 2 is free to use, so you should not be spending any credits at all during this whole process. If it shows a cost, double-check that you selected the right model. Set the tool to generate 4 images at a time. This saves you time and lets you compare options. Next, choose the ratio of the image you want to create. Then type your character description into the prompt box. Be specific about hair color, eye color, clothing, and style. Hit the send icon and keep producing batches until you find a face and look you want to build your whole video series around. Here is the most important step of this entire process. Do not just copy and paste your text prompt and keep generating. The model will forget the face. Instead, click and hold the image you like, drag it directly into the prompt box, and add it as an ingredient. That image is now locked in as a visual reference for every single generation you run going forward. Now type a new scene description next to your locked character ingredient and generate. Watch what happens. The same face, the same hair, the same features now placed in a completely different setting. That is character consistency working exactly the way it should. If you get an image that is almost perfect but has one small mistake like a weird hand or a blurry edge, do not throw the whole thing away and start over. Click the image, use the select tool to draw a box around only the broken area. Just type your prompt, for example, remove. Flow will fix just that spot and leave everything else exactly as it was. You can build an entire world this way. Generate a second character and add them as another ingredient. Generate an empty background environment and add that as an ingredient too. By stacking ingredients, you can place multiple consistent characters into the same scene every single time. Once you have built a folder of consistent character images across different scenes, you are ready for step 2. Now it is time to bring those static photos to life. There are plenty of tools out there that charge monthly fees or give you strict limits. But today, I am going to show you a completely free method with 0 limits using Meta AI. I will also walk you through a clever trick to get rid of the annoying watermark at the end. Let us get straight into it. Start by opening up Meta AI in your web browser. Move your mouse to the left side of your screen and click the menu button to open up the sidebar. From here, click on Create. This brings up the creation interface. Next, click the image upload button. Find the photo of the character you want to animate on your computer, select it, and upload it into the system. Now it is time to tell the system exactly what you want it to do. Down in the prompt box, describe the action clearly. For my example, I'm going to type, animate this image, character walking forward confidently, smooth motion. You can get creative here depending on what you need your character to do. Once you finish typing, click the send button. Wait a few moments while the system processes your request. When the loading finishes, hover your mouse over the result to watch a quick preview. Go ahead and open it up fully to see your animation. At this stage, you can add some audio. Look for the music options and select a track from their suggested list or search for a specific sound. You also have the option to change the visual theme completely. Browse through the style menu and click on different options like video game or anime. Your different variations will show up right in your chat feed. If you are happy with how it looks, go up to the top and click the download icon to save the file to your computer. You can repeat this entire process using different images and text prompts as many times as you like. There are no limits to worry about, but when you open up that downloaded file, you are going to notice a watermark on the video. Do not worry, I am going to show you a completely free method to remove it entirely. We are going to grab the direct video link hidden in the website code. It sounds technical, but it is actually very simple. Go back to your browser where your Meta AI video is open. Right-click anywhere near the video and select Inspect from the menu. This opens up a new window with a lot of code. Look at the top left corner of this new panel and click the small selection arrow. Move your mouse over to your video and click directly on the video player. You will notice that a specific section of code is now highlighted in the panel. Right-click on that highlighted line of code. Choose Copy, and then click Copy Element. Now open up a new tab and go to ChatGPT. Start a new chat and type the phrase MP4 URL. Next, paste the code you just copied right after that phrase. Hit send. ChatGPT will instantly read through that messy code and reply with a single clean link. Copy it. Open up one last new tab in your browser. Paste the link you got from ChatGPT directly into the address bar and press enter. Your video will load up on the screen and you will see that the watermark is completely gone. To keep this clean version, simply click the three dots located on the video player and click download. You now have a clean animated video saved to your device. You can repeat these exact steps for every single video you generate. Download all your animated clips and bring them into a free editor like CapCut. Drop them onto the timeline and you now have a full AI video with the same character throughout every single scene, for free with no subscription required. That is the complete two-step system. Stop trying to generate videos from scratch. First, lock down your character as an image using Google Flow. Next, animate that exact image in Meta AI. Finally, simply remove the watermark. It is all entirely free. You use 3 tools at 0 cost, resulting in a character that looks perfectly consistent from the first clip to the last. Now, you can get straight to work and start building.